nothing, nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing, nothing. We don't talk about nothing.
Wow. That's right. Wham. Wagwan YouTube.
What's up, guys? How are y'all doing? Welcome back to the Delport Family channel. So in this video today, we'll be sharing some of the tips that we've used to basically minimize or reduce our cost of our construction cost.
Also, we're gonna be providing you some crucial updates about a construction project. I know a lot of you guys don't want to see the updates, you don't want to see what go on. You get me? I say,
yeah.
We haven't for a few weeks. We haven't put out any of this kind of content, you know. But we are storing them on phone. You get me? I say, I don't want to tell you about all of what go on, you know. So, what you say, babe?
Yes. So look out for that. You guys have to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Alright, subscribe. Remember, it helps us and you'll always be notified when we post a video. By the way, turn on your post notification bell as well. Put the setting on all so that you know every single time we post.
To rescue. Alright, so let me hear. Alright, so what happened here now, guys? We actually bought this glass from a glass company in Kingston. Got them cut for our shower enclosure. Right? These are some laminated glass, and actually got my good friend here, Ricardo, and his brother Akim to come and help with moving the glass. You know, it's really such a blessing when you can get assistance from friends, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So big up yourself, Rugo. Guys, when you can go over that Jamaican chef on YouTube and give him a subscribe. Awesome content over there, guys. Check it out. Yeah, man. So we bring in the glass. Glass heavy. I not like glass heavy, hard for maneuver. And when you know about glass, you know, say one fast move, one bad move, and that shatter, drop a ground, mash up. So we never want that. So we have to be extra cautious getting it into the space. Just stay tuned, right? In this video, we're gonna get more in depth in this aspect, what we do, how we do it. So just stay tuned. There are a lot of details we're gonna share later on in the video. Stay tuned. As we express later on in the video, things for the finishing of the house, you know, them things that go sell out fast. So for you find a good option, you have to just get it out of the way. Just buy it and have it for when you're ready for it, you can use it, you know? Yeah, man, so we just bought the glass and have it ready for when the tile complete the work. No, and then just make it keep them just again for that. Okay, fine. Glass is heavy, you know. Yeah, man, so give thanks for the help, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, big up yourself, that's it. Yeah, man. Yeah, so the glass for the shower enclosures, we have them. So as soon as the place finish tile, we can install it, you know?
Come for vacation, come work.
Also got these are what I call the U channel, right? That they hold the glass in. So basically the glass will go right on this wall coming across. Yeah. See them there? With an extra piece. Basically one sheet of glass cut to make the two shower enclosures plus make an extra piece of glass. I don't know what I want to use this for, but if you have other job, other thing you want to do, you have to use this to do something else. You know? Come on.
Hey y'all, good morning. So this is another day. Our back on a painting somewhere. Adrian is painting the primary bedroom and we're using a gray paint. It's a light gray, I think it's called icy gray, babe?
Yeah, that's what they call it.
Ice gray, so we wanted a really light gray. So, you know, illuminate a very spacious space. We look for that hole in our wall.
Yeah, man, it's all feel it when the brother come up and they touch it.
But we're gonna leave a painting to go. Look on over there. Is the difference? Gray, white, gray, white, gray, white. No.
Yeah, you can see. You can actually see the difference now.
Can see the difference. Okay. So we went and we bought paint. We bought paint, we bought the icy gray. And you know, to mix paint more expensive. We buy 5 gallons. Adrian start painting the wall. Adrian come in like, babe, the wall still look white. The wall still look white. So we have to go back at the paint shop now and tell them, listen, this not working out or whatever. When you leave it light, it will white. It don't gray, it white. Alright?
The day we leave the hardware now, it was like late, closing hours.
Yeah.
And thing. And them put the bucket down. And I said, no man, the paint will look white, you know.
Yes.
But them insist that when it dry, it will look
green.
You know? So we say, alright, fine. We're skeptical, but we say, alright, fine.
Carry it home, paint, and when it dry, it still look white.
The whole wall that we paint?
Yeah, this entire wall right here. I'm gonna say, we carry it home, and we paint it, it still look white. We carry it back then, you obviously the amount of scrutiny, the amount of them go, we say, put it on paper, because white against white, I'm gonna show say white. And if I gray it, I'm gonna show say gray. So they went on the white paper, and that's when they were like, alright, this is white. So, we're back to our painting journey. Adrian is painting on the primary bedroom. I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna sand down a little bit of the the plaster wall.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you that. Let's go.
We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing, nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more.
What's that?
You want to tell them huge man? Jesus.
Yeah, do a good job, bro.
Yeah.
You know, good job, yeah?
I mean good?
Yeah, so far. Alright, so by the way, a little sneak preview of this wall here. Alright. So what a big surprise that comes to the wall here, guys. Just stay tuned, people. See it? Little more, you know? Yeah, but yes. I rub down the wall. Some can rub on paint. You know? Yep.
What are you doing?
Boy, oh boy, watch out. Step in and painting and flipping up. Boy, oh boy.
Oh boy.
Now wash up this. Now wash up this.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We got a little spill. Look, baby, we got you. Please.
Oh.
I want a video. Okay guys, so this is the paint. Great.
Yeah. It look much better
Than before.
against the plaster wall. The plaster show the color more. That's one thing I realize.
So when you look at it in contrast to the primer, which is white, you see it coming up. This is the plaster wall over here, so yeah, this is color on the wall right now. So it's gonna be gray and blue. Go.
Alright, my peeps. So, as the title suggests, you know, we basically are showing you live, you know, how you can go about you know, getting your dream home, all right, on an affordable budget, because we all know that construction cost is very expensive, you know what I mean? Workmen very expensive, so any little way you can look to minimize costs, you know, we basically are showing, you know? So my friend here, Jason, I don't know if you remember him, right? That video, you guys loved it so much, you know? So, him do, at the time when he was home, him do a lot of him little thing them around the house. Him even help on the construction site to bring material, even if him can't do the mason work and so on. You see him assist them, so even the labor cost cut down. He actually installed his windows himself. He purchased them and him installed them. You know, you must say that task is not so hectic, not so challenging. You know, you don't really have you don't need so much technical skills. Alright, so today we'll be doing that. Alright? But one more thing I want to show you, alright? Alright, so these are the glass for the 2 showers. These are like fixed frame glass, right? Fixed glass. Frameless actually, because yeah, it won't be in any frame. Only the U channel, which are these we're gonna use to hold the glass in place. So we're gonna have, you know, the nice shower, you know, look. Even as it relates to stuff like this, that when I go around, when we go around the different stores, see the prices and everything, it would have been very difficult for us based on our budget. So we had to seek other more innovative ways to go about it. So we do some research and we basically bought the glass. You have glass place around that actually sell the glass. If you're supposed to go to a workman that actually do it, it will be a much bigger cost. So what we do, we buy the glass. These are what you call it, these are laminated glass. These are like 5/8, if I know 5/8 or 3/8 laminated glass. So they sell them by the sheet and you cut them, you have the company cut them to according to what you want. So that's what we did. And we buy basically 1 sheet of glass and we get them, cut them for the 2 showers. And this is actually two different glasses. So one for one bathroom, one for the other one. And this small one here is like extra. So that piece here behind here, so but I can use it to do any other thing, probably make shelf, whatever. So yeah, the cost for the whole sheet of glass, for the 2 enclosures for me, if I was to go another route, it would have maybe cost me more than double. You know, so that's another way I would save. And we'll be installing this ourselves. I'm gonna try and do it myself, and it's not that difficult. You know, so yeah, that's just how well about the thing. But yeah, as I said, today I'll be installing, me and Jason will install them window here, so I'll get cracking. Alright? This line here, away, but me alone couldn't manage it. You know, me alone couldn't manage it, so there now I try to get it out heavy, and then we'll have some of the pipes, some of the plumbing work the right there, so me alone couldn't deal with it, so I'll try to get it out, because it's actually in the way of the window. So yeah, I'll try to get it out right now. I'll bust back all the pipe again.
You have it right there, you know?
Yes. Yeah, I could have dig this, so I dig around and get it to the wrong time, you know.
Yeah, but I could jack them on.
Okay, sit down.
Yeah.
Well on. Try lift it.
Alright.
1,
Ready?
2, 3. Yeah. Oh, it is no rust. It is long, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Enough, you know?
Yeah, we know, man. That's
far down.
The far down.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
Oh. Yeah, that was something.
Oh.
Yeah.
1.5 feet down.
Jesus. See there? Yeah, man. So we got that out of the way. Wow. Woo. Man, Alright, so we can put on a window here now.
Yeah.
Alright, good. Alright. So we just put up, measure the holes. So we're gonna drill the first set of holes now. Alright.
So,
The next foreigner come for help too. Yeah, man.
alright. Sure, okay now. Alright.
Yeah, man. So we bored the hole them already. You know, what we are work with. Don't push in one side too much.
Yeah.
Draw back one
Draw
side,
the other side.
Rugo. Yeah, it have a level. Yeah, for go in.
We still not get now.
Yeah. Tap, yeah. No, you're gone in too much. Him not gone in yet, you know.
We're running it.
Oh, him have space. Push down,
Yeah, what?
knock it. Knock it, yeah. Upper top, knock upper top. Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man. Alright, so we
That was
just
one now.
get it back to the level. Alright. Let's screw that one down. Yeah, my peeps. How we look so far? Yeah, man. Next way. Yeah. And then this comes, yeah. That comes up. Yeah. So we go lock it. Can't see. Wow.
That's right.
Wham. See. Alright, that one.
That's it.
So 1 down, 6 to go. This is the second one for this bedroom. Alright, so we'll put that right here. We feel good. Place a come on.
Yeah.
Place a come on, definitely. Alright. Yes.
Put in this one.
Alright.
When am I going to work?
You mentioned it there?
No. Oh.
Look, let's have you the place. Who are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, window number 2.
Alright. That side? You got that right?
Oh, well, let me just on the other side.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll do that. What about wrong? Yeah. Alright, upside down. Yeah. How it's there? More?
That's alright.
Okay, good. Alright. Now hold it right in our shift. Let's double check. Go away. Yeah, come out there, man. Come out there. Hey, come out there. Go like. Why? You don't even want to kill them, you know. I'm running away. You lucky at me. Lucky at me.
When I'm out, you just not see that you're starting to put the so when the next one day,
You feel?
just see the percent of the currently. I want you to move and do things the same thing. No, it's a feeling like, it's feel like I'm out. Me don't know.
Ah, yes.
Alright. Come on again.
Hi guys, how y'all doing? Who that? Who that? Say hi. And like that, he's going.
Yeah, man. Look.
Come here. Wagwan people. So I'm just arriving with Kyrie, with the baby. Yeah, and I'm in the main room. Oh my God, windows are in. Yeah, look at that. Look at the windows. Jamaica star. Put in, look at it. Put in. These men, they did it. They are going with themselves. They are doing it. They are putting windows in them breathe. Windows. Watch ya. Good there. They are going with themselves. Not gonna lie.
Well, press again. Want to cut the tip? Oh, yeah, see that. Put us one press. Let's see. Yeah. Well, let's see. Yes. Right. This one. This is
Apply the light,
yeah.
So you get it down in the groove. Instead of that, yeah. Alright, you apply no more here?
Don't apply no more?
No.
Enough to pay on or Alright. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you think.
I like it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Face looking like a home now, eh?
Yeah, the window them gone, you know.
One of them gone, you know.
Oh, you plan to put on the skirting soon, won't it?
Me not know, you know, honestly. I try to get everything important thing them. The window lock,
yeah.
me lock it, Rugo. Yeah.
So make some air gonna flow through, man. Crack it. Yeah. We did the
Yeah,
work,
man.
you know.
Yeah, respect still on Jason.
Yeah, man.
Much respect, you see it?
Alright, brother.
Yeah, man, thanks to you, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It looks very nice, dude.
Yeah, man. So you have to do it, you know? Anything when you think you can take on, you just do it, you know, save some money. Because of course the money I will save can always go towards something else, go towards paying the workman to do the tiling or, you know, stuff like that.
And it's good when you can take on things for yourself and learn something new, you know?
Definitely.
Increase your abilities through life.
Yeah, because right now I can say I know if install a window.
Yeah.
Right now I can say, yeah.
You want to put all them here?
Yes.
The windows them.
Yes.
Yeah, so I mean, it's a water problem inside.
Yeah.
So when you want the drain area, I want to come out already.
Yes.
Was it take it out?
Yeah, man, it's like a plug.
Like a plug, yeah.
So why you take it out? It's a
So the water can drain. When the water rainfall,
oh,
if it back up, it'll go inside.
Yeah.
that's on purpose, okay.
Yep.
We're going to be talking a lot about how we save the money and some of the strategies that we've employed. So the first one we like to talk about is comparing prices. We knew very little about construction when we started, but what we do know is how to compare prices. So we got multiple quotations when it came to drawing, to our drawings. We got multiple quotations when it came to constructing our building or the masonry work. So we were able to choose which one was the most cost effective because we did our research.
Guys, you see him go through the building process just before us, you know, as you guys saw in that video some time ago. I mean, a lot of interesting information was shared there. I mean, if you don't want to check it out, then you can do that, right? Link in the description for that video. So he showed me a lot what to look out for, what to expect. You understand? And trust me, it helped definitely, you know. I really respect that and I appreciate that. I just say some person, everybody want to share them knowledge and something. But I mean, what will it cost you?
Nothing.
What it all cost you? And so, I don't want to tell them like one other thing, what you think? Somebody who going into this journey, what kind of advice, just one advice you don't want to share with them? What do you think?
always shop around first before you dive into one person quotation.
Yeah.
When they're doing building, because you don't want to go the first quotation first, and then when you realize that there's other deals out there, cheaper options out there for make sure So you have to shop around.
Yeah.
Always shop around.
Yeah, man.
And never be scared to ask questions.
Definitely.
For real.
Yeah, man. Never scared to ask questions.
Yeah, no thought of nothing.
Because like us, for example, we get fierce quotations. We are cost, we are 80,000 more than what we are pay right now for the window.
Yeah, because even my shower slide.
Yes.
And thing, the first person give me a quotation was like 250,000. So I said 250,000. So I say okay then now. So that I heard it was a deal. So I say I heard it was a deal. So I make 1 and 2 links here, I go down to 150. I say 150. So I say, So
$100,000 difference.
Alright, so it's always good to shop around. You don't want to spend your money and then you realize you're going to save like 100,000.
Yeah, yeah, man.
And we got our quotations. But I must say, when you're doing your price comparisons, you have to also compare quality. You can't just say, oh, this is cheaper, so I'm going with that. You have to also look at the quality that you'll be getting.
Them have a saying in Jamaica, we say the cheapest work out to be dearest most of the time, and it's definitely true,
Yes.
So I mean, we work with a workman, Everton. He did most of all our mason work. Yeah, he's very affordable price, but it's not only price why we go with him. We go with him because of the quality work we know he's capable of doing, and we've seen him do over in the past. So that's one of the main reasons why we went with him. In work ethics. Yeah. We know say him come out on time every day, get him work done because he have some workman too, where them not very punctual.
Yes.
Them come off day, them lounge round.
You have to be calling them and calling them and calling them to go and get your work done. And it becomes so overwhelming.
Burdensome.
And we've experienced some of that. So sometimes you just really have to, dive in and then you get the experience. But for us, we went with the price comparisons and we look at the quality work that we're getting for our money. Because at the end of the day, if we are spending money, we want to get quality. We want this to last us. Alright? So that's one thing. Compare prices, but compare with quality. So let's go with bargain hunting. So bargain hunting for us means to go where you can get the better pricing for the particular item. So we move from store to store. We didn't carry you along the entire tiling journey because we went to so many stores and compared so many prices.
Yeah, man, it's stressful,
Yes, and it might take a lot of people, but guess what? If you don't have the money, you have to do that. You have to make sure that you're getting the right price for the right thing that you want. And I think that we did a really good job. At the end of the day, you must get the right price, but you must also feel
good within yourself.
Good within yourself that I bought this and I like it. So you can't just say me like a bargain hunter, you reach and you're like, oh God.
You're not sure.
Yes. Yeah. If we have that feeling, we don't buy.
True, man. Sometimes we sit down, we make it go and make it rest and come back again. Yeah. And not just about time, but a lot of the finishing aspect of the construction journey. I mean, when you talk about cupboard, you talk about doors, countertop, all of them things there.
Countertop was literally our countertop and vanity and toilet. Those three were on our list of recent. And I tell you the truth, like we went from store to store to store, them know by now. Yeah. We went to the different stores and over and over. And guess what? Sometimes you go to one store, you look, and you never see everything. Because we went to this particular store and we never saw the toilets that we bought. And when we go back, Adrian was like, what? Look on this. And another gentleman was there at work from the store and said, hey, this is what you're looking for, let me show you this. And he showed us some really good stuff. So bargain hunt, but if you don't feel comfortable, don't buy. Another thing that we want to talk about is planning. It's really good when you plan. When you plan, you're able to reduce cost. For example, when you plan around what you buy and how it is delivered. we spoke about this before and we have to talk about it again because it's so expensive. Delivery is huge.
Yeah.
It's a huge part of construction.
Yeah, man, a whole heap of things you have to buy, and a lot of them are some big bulky items.
Yeah.
You get me? I say you find yourself and make several trips to the store and buy stuff.
Yes.
So, I mean, if for example you buy stuff at more than one store in the same area, right, you can arrange delivery on the same day where the delivery,
One delivery man.
yeah, just move
up
around and
everything.
just do a sweeping and bring home everything one day, you know?
Yes.
That definitely will help.
And coordinate with your workman. So ensure that you relay the point to them that what you want, everything that you want, you tell me no. Now when I give me piece, cut every single delivery, bet I tell you every single delivery cost you the same amount of money. So when you go send you go buy things 3 times, at 3 times 10,000 at $30,000. Alright? So
Yeah, man.
coordinate with your workman.
Also important, you know, get items before they are needed.
Yes.
Meaning, say for example, you know you're gonna need door for the house. If you don't have place where you can put on door, buy them and put them down. Shop around. Say for example, you now run around and look for cement. And then you see some door and some good price one you like, get them, because guess what? The door them are gonna sell out.
Yes.
And when them sell out and them get new stocks, the price them will go up.
That
you
is
understand?
what we can attest to.
So when you come on to toilet, vanity,
yeah.
doors,
Stuff that is not perishable, so that you can put on,
yeah,
in
yeah.
a safe place and
Right.
pull back for it. And I mean, we've given you guys multiple examples of this. This also helps when it comes to saving money or spending money. Construction is very expensive. So you see, when you buy little thing before you need it, it saves you when the time comes. For example, we got those things like for over a year, little we just buy one cocoa full basket,
Full
because
basket.
at the time we can spend $5,000 and buy this. But if you had waited for one time to buy all them something, it would have cost you a whole
Whole lot
lot of
more,
money.
yeah, man.
And
Plus-
that would have been more stressful.
plus inflation as well.
Yes.
So I mean, as we say, when you come on to like the doors, the vanity, all them stuff there, when you can, if you see some deal, if you see them on some price and you can buy it, just buy it and put it down as long as you have a place where you can store them. One key thing too, I mean, if you can do stuff yourself, you do it.
Become a DIY person.
Yeah, man. So I mean, I know a lot of you might not have the capability. Right, you probably can't drill nothing or whatever, but you probably can paint. You can drill something. You
I can drill, of course I can drill. I
You
can
never
drill
feel
some. Because I have you, so why would I drill? I'm
But
a
I mean-
driller, so why am I drilling when I got you?
All
But I
right.
can drill.
All right. So
I mean,
you can probably paint, spend the time, because like we paint out the house.
Yeah, because we were sitting on, we were thinking that we were accumulating all the price and the bill and everything, and come on, and then it's like, well, painting.
We just paint it, man. We just paint it.
paint it ourselves.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and we painted it ourselves, and then we just
spend
take
time
a little time and just
do
paint
it.
out everything ourselves. It saved us a whole heap of money, because to pay somebody to come and to paint out that house,
Yeah, a lot of work, a whole heap of work.
yeah,
A whole heap of work.
it's not cheap.
But we do it. We did it. But I have touching out for do when the work complete. You understand? Yeah.
On a more recent note, what we actually did is to paint our door jambs ourselves.
True that too.
Or the price for the woodwork was so mad expensive, and everything just mounting in price. Agent was like, yo, we have to pay that ourselves, you know. It's alright. We just cut it up, we paint it.
You don't cut up and stand it. We paint it and you come install it.
So you
because
gotta see
everything
that.
costs. Everything costs, and yeah.
Yeah, so literally we just went and we bought the paint. The paint was for $2,500, and Adrian painted them. So you can imagine if you had paid somebody 50
We
grand
spray that.
if you do that.
Because the woodwork spray expensive. They have to buy lacquer, they have to buy this, that. And then varnish it and all that. You have some paint that come in cans.
Yeah.
I mean, it a varnish and the stain in one, and it's really good, right?
Yeah.
We actually bought this at Dubai, but I'm sure other paint stores would have wood stain and varnish as well, and you can literally like choose the colors that you want, because they actually had a color chart.
That the color that we saw is a very similar to the color we got, because Some of the time when you go to these paint shops and you buy a certain color, when you get home the color is different. So I was kind of apprehensive about that.
But it worked.
It worked.
Another thing too, so like our shower enclosures, we not get to installing them yet, but we bring them in. See it guys?
Yeah.
We bring them in. So again, I have friends who help me. You know what I mean? I have friends that come, we can, I mean, when you look on all in a rural setting, a lot of times when in the community people have, look a project for do, I mean, they put on a big pot and everybody come and assist.
Yeah.
I mean, they can do it even in your more, corporate life. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. By the way, I just want to share, guys. Guess what? You see them youth here, we grew up with, man. We grew up with them youth here, and I'm bridging them for years. You understand what I say? So, the whole of the same way, I uplift each other and I push and I just try to achieve things in life. You understand what I say? You have friends from way back, you can use it as a day for just come together, whether it be if you want paint, you know what I mean, or in our case where we install the window, then we do them. I get my friends to come over. Mind you, I was lucky that Jason, him know how to install the windows.
Yeah, because he went through it before.
Yeah, so he installed the windows at his house by himself. Rugo fly in and thing, my brethren, you see in the video as well, him help me lift in the glass them and we install the windows. So, and it worked out for us. It was a good day to actually, bond as friends and, get some work done and save some money.
Yeah, because as adulting really doesn't lend much time for friends.
True, man.
But we did a lot of stuff ourselves. And when it comes to bargain hunting, don't be afraid to ask questions. We went to so many places before we actually ended up at the final place where we'd made our purchase. And we changed our ideas. So we went from one place where we actually bought a shower enclosure already. I was just looking for one more and I realized that the cost is so expensive to get this particular one that we want, and we're like, no sir, it's too expensive. And then we saw this man and we were like, how do you do this? How do you do that? And you'll be surprised how we came to our final decision, ask questions, socialize, use up the humans that you see around you.
Yeah, man, definitely. Guys, guess what? So again, we talk about buying stuff. When you see them from early, you just buy them because things run out.
Yeah.
Right? We actually saw shower enclosures for really good prices at home and things. We see them early out, when probably before we put on the roof, we see them, and say, yeah man, them are nice, and the girl show the price and everything. 20,000. I say, yeah man, the price is good. When we ready now, sold out.
Yeah.
So we had to go to plan B, C, D, E. We are looking on other stores for shower enclosure. The price, is it that the price them really expensive or them just can't fit?
Yeah, and you'll be surprised how you grow in confidence when you start this whole DIY journey. Because I remember being in the store and we were looking at the particular enclosure that we want, and we found it at this particular place, and Adrian was like, yo, so I'm gonna do this myself. I'm gonna do this myself. Me can do this. I was like, babe, you sure? You sure? He's like, yeah, we can do it. I was like, alright. See that?
Mind you, me not install it yet, but I'm very confident. To me, not hard. Look hard.
And he actually went and researched it and him have him idea how to do it. And I'm very confident that Adrian will get it done.
Mind you, mind you guys, if you don't want to consult an expert, like window and glass expert and installing anything, you can do that. But we're talking about how we go about journey. Saving back a buck.
Exactly. So not everything that we do, you necessarily have to do.
Right.
We're just telling you what we did. You find what works for you. So if you know that you're the right thing, not work out.
Shaky, yeah.
And you don't want to invest your time and effort into it, then pay somebody else to do it.
Definitely.
Alright? The windows being in is a huge milestone. The upstairs start to look like a house. The next thing is dealing with these floors that we can't wait for the floor tile. But that's another drama all to itself. But we're gonna share all the details with you guys.
Also guys, I know some persons are eager to know the cost for construction, right? We know we brought some videos already as it relates to like the foundation and stuff like that, but we're gonna share additional information to get your work completed. So just stay tuned for that, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, this is the opportunity to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss those valuable updates.
Put the
Alright?
setting on all and give us a thumbs up for this video and binge watch all of our content. Bye, lovely
Say
people.
bye, say bye, Carrie. Say bye.
Say bye
Say
bye.
bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Tell Rugo bye. Say bye. See him there?